What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing well. And as you can see, we've had a very quiet Monday. Not really much going on at all. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, I highly suggest you go and watch that, since this video is going to be awfully short, purely because, like I said, Monday nothing has really happened. It's not really given us much to work off. But generally speaking, I'm still expecting us to return down into this daily bullish breaker. I want to see it provide support and see if we can use that to help send price up into towards this buy side liquidity. So for the early days of the week, so Monday right through to Wednesday, I'm looking to see if this buy side liquidity can get traded to. But overall, I am ideally looking for this sell side liquidity to get traded to, maybe on the back of non-farm payroll. But yeah, very quiet Monday, not much happened at all. We all dropped down to the hourly, and you can see we've just been consolidating on dollar pretty much all day long. So, you know, when we're in consolidation, all the market is doing is it's building up orders. And we know that we've got quite a high impact news week in general. We have high impact news Tuesday right through to Friday. So when we see consolidations like this, it's likely we will start to see movement up on Tuesday and especially Wednesday, when they're going to start sweeping liquidity both on the sell side and buy side. So we just have to be careful and aware of that. But nonetheless, definitely go watch yesterday's video for my overall bias. I am still watching for this high to get traded to, and I'm looking to see this provide enough support for price. So that's going to be everything here on dollar. Again, very short video, guys. Go and watch yesterday's. Not much happened today. Here is the GBP USD. You can see we've traded on a little bit higher on Monday, back into this range, which is what we wanted to see. Remember, I'm looking at this level specifically to get traded to, so that still remains relevant. I want to see how we respond once we get into that. But yeah, we can see pound did trade on higher, so we are seeing quite a lot of strength. But again, with the high impact news tomorrow, I would like to think that we can potentially see a lot more movement. And I'm not really, ideally, I don't want to see price trade any higher than this bearish order block right here. So let's get that marked out. Any higher than that, I will be very suspicious. So this is like a limit for me. Any higher than that, I'll be suspicious. So I'm looking for price to stay below that, for me to remain with my overall, you know, bearish bias in wanting to see price trade on lower, in line with dollar, like I said, trade on up into the buy side. So yeah, that's going to be everything on GBP. Finish up on Euro USD. We'll start on the daily here as well. Again, up close candle, nothing we haven't called. We're looking again to trade up into this fair value gap, into this daily breaker low. Drop down to the hourly. Again, we have traded on higher, but not in a very clean manner. Looking to run this buy side liquidity. And yeah, and then once we do get into this premium, I'm going to be watching closely to see, do we get a strong reaction, and at what point are we getting that reaction. But that's going to be everything, guys. Again, go watch yesterday's video if you want more context for everything. I'm not going to go over it all here because not much happened today at all. Not a very good trading day. Very typical for weeks like these. They like to start it off a bit easy before they absolutely slice everyone in the markets. Now remember, in consolidations, they're building in liquidity. They're engineering liquidity on buy side and sell side so that the markets can move and have that freedom to do so. So let's just be wary of that. And we don't really want to trade until we see expansion. This is not expansion. We want to see movement like this. So that's what I'm waiting to start seeing on moving into Tuesday and Wednesday. Do we see expansion up? You know, and then we can get in on those types of moves. But generally speaking, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, I'm looking for us to make the high around here and ideally trade on lower, and have a down close week. So seeing this kind of rallying like here, like it's supportive of what I want to see. So I'm not really complaining at all, and I'm willing to allow price to trade right up to this monthly consequent encroachment. Any higher than that, I'll be suspicious, but I'm happy to see rallying so that we can expect a potential reversal on Wednesday moving into Thursday. And then obviously non-farm payroll, we just gotta be careful, but we'll talk more on that later on in the week. So that's going to be everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, very short video. Go watch yesterday's. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, smash subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.